Make your own easy and quick homemade AC and say goodbye to the heat. That's right everyone, and the tip is actually quite simple. First, we're gonna need a styrofoam box, and its size will depend on the size of our fan, alright? So let's remove the front guard of our fan and place it on the lid to mark it. So let's go ahead and put this here, and with the help of a pen, let's mark a circle using the fan guard. After that, you're gonna take a utility knife or the scissors to cut along the marking. That's why it's very important to ensure a perfect cut in order to fit the fan precisely afterwards. Once you've cut along the marking, now you're gonna take the fan without the front guard, leaving only the back guard and fitting in. As you can see, it fits just perfectly. Okay folks, now you're gonna need a screwdriver. Here I'm using a Phillips one. So go ahead and make some holes on the edges. Here I'll make 4 holes, one on each side, so that we can pass a cable tie through each one of them, securing the fan. It's already quite secure, but the cable ties are gonna provide way more stability. And then just go ahead and trim the excess. Now your AC it's almost ready. To finish folks, you're gonna take a 2 inches PVC elbows and position them like this. First, let's make the markings, then you can cut it off, no secret. After that, you're gonna take 2 more pieces of 2 inches PVC each and place them right here, one on each side. Once you've done that, go ahead and place them in position. And then, apply some hot glue to provide sealing and prevent the air from escaping. And now, our AC is ready. All you have to do now is add some ice, and that's it folks. So let's carefully remove the lid, and then you can add a good amount of ice. Since this box is quite large, I'll add here 3 bowls full of ice cubes. I have them already prepared here, so now you can turn it on and enjoy your new AC. And guys, if this isn't the best, then it's one of the best homemade ACs I've ever seen. And I have already seen a lot of them on the internet, and I have even made some of them. But this one is by far the best I've seen. It really cools down for much longer. This amount of ice lasts an average of 3 to 4 hours. If you want to extend the cooling time, then just go ahead and add ice with cotton. This will make it last much longer. The process is very simple. The box will be already completely cool due to the ice, and the fan will ventilate this cold air outward. I've even put some ribbons on the pipes, and then the cold air will come out through them. It's actually quite efficient and definitely cools down the entire room. No doubt this is gonna help you a lot with the warm weather. So that's it. I hope you liked it, and I see you in the next video.